If you're having trouble receiving login codes from Cash App, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your phone number. Ensure that the phone number linked to your Cash App account is correct. Go to your account settings and verify that the number is up to date. Step 2. Ensure network connectivity. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection or cellular service. Poor connectivity can prevent you from receiving SMS messages. Step 3. Disable Do Not Disturb. Check if your phone's Do Not Disturb mode is turned on. If it is, disable it to ensure that you can receive notifications and messages. Step 4. Resend the code. If you haven't received the code, go back to the login screen and request a new code. Wait a few moments and check your messages again. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with receiving login codes from Cash App. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help.